Welcome to Top Cars TV. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a bold step forward in the world of recreational vehicles, blending Volvo's reputation for safety, innovation, and Scandinavian design with the comfort and practicality that modern travelers demand. As road trips and nomadic lifestyles continue to grow in popularity, manufacturers are racing to deliver vehicles that provide not only mobility but also an authentic sense of home. Volvo's entry into the motorhome market sets a new benchmark, offering a unique combination of eco-friendly performance, luxury interiors, and cutting-edge technology. At the heart of the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a powertrain that reflects Volvo's commitment to sustainability. With a hybrid electric system tailored for long-distance travel, this motorhome balances efficiency with the strength required to move a fully equipped living space. Drivers can expect smooth highway cruising, impressive torque for mountain climbs, and regenerative braking that extends battery range. Volvo is also offering a fully electric version designed for travelers who want a quieter, greener journey, complete with fast charging capabilities that make it practical for long adventures. The integration of Volvo's advanced driver assist features ensures that operating a vehicle of this size feels approachable, safe, and enjoyable, whether navigating city streets or open highways. Inside, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a masterpiece of Scandinavian minimalism fused with high functionality. Every inch of the cabin has been designed to maximize comfort and usability, with clean lines, light-toned materials, and plenty of natural light streaming in through panoramic windows and skylights. The living space includes a modular lounge area that can transform from a cozy relaxation zone into a workspace or additional sleeping quarters. The kitchen is fully equipped with energy-efficient appliances, including an induction cooktop, compact oven, and smart refrigerator that monitors usage to conserve energy. Soft close cabinetry, ample storage, and premium finishes make the cooking experience feel more like home than an RV. Sleeping arrangements are equally impressive. The motorhome offers a master bedroom with a full-size bed, memory foam mattress, and built-in climate controls for personalized comfort. Additional sleeping spaces are cleverly integrated, from fold-out bunks to convertible seating, ensuring that families or groups of friends can travel together without sacrificing rest. The bathroom, often a compromise in many RVs, is surprisingly spacious, with a rainfall shower, water-saving fixtures, and sustainable materials that maintain a luxurious feel while being eco-conscious. Technology is another area where the Volvo Motorhome stands out. A central touchscreen hub connects every system in the vehicle, from climate control and lighting to entertainment and navigation. Voice commands and smartphone integration make managing daily tasks seamless. Travelers can monitor battery levels, water supply, and energy usage with ease. High-speed satellite internet keeps remote workers and digital nomads connected, while a premium surround sound system and built-in smart TV bring entertainment on the road to a whole new level. Safety remains a Volvo hallmark, with advanced collision avoidance systems, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assistance all included. For parking in tight spots or maneuvering campsites, 360-degree cameras and automated parking assist make the process stress-free. Sustainability plays a central role in the 2026 Volvo Motorhome. Beyond the hybrid and electric powertrains, the interior is built with recycled and responsibly sourced materials, emphasizing Volvo's goal to reduce its environmental footprint. Solar panels on the roof provide supplemental energy for off-grid living, while a smart energy management system optimizes usage so that travelers can spend more time enjoying nature without worrying about draining resources. Water filtration systems and grey water recycling further extend independence, making the vehicle a true companion for extended stays in remote locations. On the road, the Volvo Motorhome distinguishes itself with comfort and stability. Advanced suspension ensures a smooth ride even on uneven terrain, while Volvo's noise reduction engineering makes the cabin remarkably quiet. The cockpit is driver-focused, with ergonomic seating, a digital instrument cluster, and an intuitive layout that reduces fatigue during long drives. Passengers benefit from spacious seating and unobstructed views of the passing landscapes, turning every journey into a shared experience rather than just a commute. What makes the 2026 Volvo Motorhome particularly exciting is how it bridges the gap between a traditional motorhome and a luxury smart home. It's designed not only for vacations but also for long-term travel and even full-time living. With flexible layouts, sustainable engineering, and unmatched attention to detail, it appeals to retirees seeking adventure, families eager to explore, and young professionals embracing the freedom of a mobile lifestyle. As the travel industry evolves, vehicles like the Volvo Motorhome highlight how sustainability, technology, and design can come together to redefine what it means to live on the road. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement about the future of mobility, where comfort and conscience coexist. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is more than transportation, it's a moving sanctuary that allows travelers to experience the world without leaving the feeling.